Welcome back students. Hopefully you have done the task, and if not then watch this video, and even if you have done then watch it, that whether you have done it in the same way that I am about to do. So let's start. So I'm going to the VBA window. Okay, so the first thing is I need to activate that particular sheet. And I'm going to do the selection of this particular cell, which is this particular cell, which is H2. So range H2 dot activate. Okay, so that's the now activated cell. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to check if active cell dot value less than 40, then active cell dot offset row index 0 column index 1 dot value equal to fail. And if okay, first of all, it's not done. I'm just going to show that how this things is going to work. So I'm here, and if I'm going to run this, you can see sheet 1 activated, H2 cell is activated, and if active cell dot value means this particular cell value, if it's less than 40, which it is, so what's going to happen, active cell dot offset 0 means the row offset, the first one, which is this one only, and column offset is 1, which is here, the result is going to be fail. But here it's not less than 40, it's greater than 40, so it has not performed any task because I have not given any further conditions. So this is how this thing is going to work. I'm going to set the rest of the conditions. Okay, else if. As a beginner, I will suggest you to type all the commands rather than copy paste, because it will be a good practice for you. And finally an else condition, there we go. Okay, now I'm going to apply do condition once again in the similar fashion. Do until active cell dot value equal to blank, and here loop. But another important thing is, it's going to perform the task on the activated cell, which is H2. I need to go downwards, so again I'm going to write active cell dot offset row index 1 column offset 0 dot select, so it will go downwards. That's it. And if I'm going to run this, you can see the result has came in the complete data. There is another variation to do, and there are a few important aspects which need to be keep in mind, and I'm going to explain it in the next video. First, do this task and then watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.